This is Dr. Ikavli, Consultant Obstetrician and Gynecologist, Motherhood Hospital, Mohali. And today we'll be talking about nuchal cord. 39 वीक्स के या 38 वीक्स के अल्ट्रासाउंड पे आपके डॉक्टर आपको रिवील करते हैं कि बच्चे ने नेक के अराउंड कॉर्ड लपेटी हुई है. इसको nuchal cord कहते हैं. Now, is it dangerous? Does it affect your chances of having normal delivery? Is cesarean section done in each and every case? So ये सारी चीज़ें हम इस वीडियो में डिस्कस करेंगे. What is nuchal cord? Around 40 centimeters cord is present in the womb, जो कि बेबी और प्लेसेंटा के बीच में कनेक्शन एस्टैब्लिश करती है. ये nuchal cord, let's consider this is the cord and this is the baby, कहीं भी बेबी के अराउंड प्रेजेंट हो सकती है. मोस्टली जिसे हम nuchal cord कहते हैं ये नेक के अराउंड प्रेजेंट होती है. इन द मोस्ट कॉमन वेराइटी इट इज जस्ट प्रेजेंट नियर द नेक, इट इज नॉट circling around the neck, so this will not cause any harm to the baby. In some cases it is wound around the neck gently, so it is loose, and when a baby is getting delivered it slides off very nicely from the baby's head and neck. In third case, where this is tightly wound around the baby's neck and there are 2 to 3 rounds of nuchal cord around the neck. In these cases, it might get a little dangerous for the baby to have a normal delivery. अब next question है, does it harm the baby in the womb? जो cord होती है, it carries the blood vessels which supply good blood, nutritious, oxygen-rich blood to the baby, and it is covered with a thick Watson jelly. So usually it does not get compressed. हाँ, जब बेबी का हेड नीचे आ रहा हो and there are tight loops, sometimes it might get compressed and limit the blood flow to the baby, in which case it will be seen, बेबी की हार्ट बीट डिप होते हुए हमें पता लग जाएगी, but otherwise in the womb it does not strangulate the baby. Now, is it difficult to have normal delivery with a nuchal cord? Sometimes, yes, it causes some problems. सबसे पहले तो when it is tightly wound around the neck, the blood flow to the baby is getting obstructed, so as a result baby की heart beat dip होना शुरू हो जाता है and we have to do an emergency cesarean section. Secondly, जब बेबी डिलीवर करता है, बेबी फ्लेक्स्ड पोजीशन में डिलीवर करता है, मतलब बेबी का हेड बेबी की चेस्ट से लगा होता है. समटाइम बिकॉज ऑफ द प्रेजेंस ऑफ द लूप हेड फ्लेक्स नहीं हो पाता और डीफ्लेक्स्ड रहता है, एज अ रिजल्ट ऑफ विच सर्विक्स का माउथ भी पूरी तरह से ओपन हो जाता है. देयर आर गुड लेबर पेन्स बट हेड इज नॉट एबल टू डिसेंड डाउन. सो इन दिस केस ऑल्सो वी नीड टू डू अ सिजेरियन सेक्शन. So that was all about nuchal cord. Every 1 in 3 pregnancies, मतलब every 1 baby out of 3 babies has a nuchal cord, and इतना common है but इतना dangerous नहीं है. There are many pregnancies which may deliver if it is loose normally after even if there are 2 to 3 loops of cord, and sometimes 1 loop of cord if it is tight can make our delivery difficult. So this was all about nuchal cord, and stay tuned. We'll be providing you more and more information on obstetrics. Thank you so much.